Select an open and clear location. Make sure that no walls, roofs, tree shades, or other shields are within at least 2 meters. Connect both parts of the mounting pole. Rotate and secure the tripod stake to the mounting pole until it is tightly fastened. Connect the RTK to the mounting pole and secure the screw with a screwdriver. Connect the RTK to the station and then tighten the nuts. A steady and blue light signal indicates a good connection. If the connection is fine, insert it into the ground tightly with force. Please ensure that the mounting pole is at a 90 degrees angle to the horizontal ground. Put your goat in the charging station. Make sure the charging contacts on the goat are fully connected with the charging contacts on the station. Tap Verify Connection in the app. If successful, secure the charging station to the ground in the proper location by using screw spikes and hex wrench in the package. Use the cord ties and pegs in the package to fix the cord with the mounting pole and with the ground.